Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make muffin pizza. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Take your English muffins and carefully split them in half. For a delightful crunch, toast these halves lightly in a toaster or under the broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes. This step prevents sogginess and creates a sturdy base for your delicious toppings. Now for the fun part, assembly. Spoon about 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce onto each toasted muffin half, spreading it almost to the edges. Next, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, arrange your preferred toppings, like pepperoni, mushrooms, or peppers, evenly across the cheese layer. Once assembled, place your muffin pizzas on a baking sheet. Bake them in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 8 to 12 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly, and the muffin edges are golden brown. Carefully remove them from the oven and let them cool for just a couple of minutes to avoid burning your mouth. Muffin pizzas are incredibly versatile, so feel free to get creative. Try different sauces like pesto or barbecue, or explore various cheese blends. Fresh basil or oregano sprinkled on after baking adds a wonderful aroma and taste. These mini pizzas are fantastic for a quick lunch, an easy dinner, or a fun snack for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.